What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. So today, guys, I want to talk about entering futures orders. I want to talk about futures in general with interactive brokers, why I like using them, and just giving you the pros and the cons. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. So first and foremost, guys, please note that futures, like anything else in the market, has risk. And I have full disclaimer below. Make sure you guys understand that futures has margin. Okay. And margin cuts both ways, meaning it can really help you to grow your account, or you can really help you to lose your account pretty quickly. Okay. So I always use a stop loss when I trade with futures. There's no ifs, ands, or maybes. And I'm going to show you how I do that. So I took this trade last week on Wednesday using the 618 Fibonacci, and I got long on futures just with one contract. So each point on a contract is $50. I'm up over 100 points right now, so that's $5,000. You can see my unrealized gains here, and I'm using a trailing stop loss, which I'll show you in this video, to protect my gains. So I at least gonna get $2,000 of profits on this trade, but I'm giving it room in case it wants to go to the moon. Ideally, I would like to make $10,000 plus, but that's out of my control. What I can do is take the trade and manage it. So there's no PDT or DK, and you have unlimited time. I mean, you have to roll the contract, but you can roll it after hours. So there's minimal differences in what you sell and what you buy. So every contract lasts about 3 months, and you can also get continuous contracts which don't expire at all. Okay, so let's go ahead here, and I'll walk you through interactive brokers. So let's use this example of getting long at 47.54. Okay, so let's go in right here. Okay, so the first thing that I want to point out is there is MES and there's also ES. Okay, so with ES, that's for bigger accounts, like the account that I'm trading with. It has a good enough balance to maintain the margin on ES, but most of you guys will be using MES because MES, each point is only $5. So it's 1/10 of a contract. So that's going to really help you guys with small accounts. All right, so anyways, let's go in here. So I already had this order queued up. But let me just show you guys how to do this real quick. So what you want to do in here in your order entry is type in MES, okay? Hit enter, and then you're going to go to the futures. So you always want to get the next contract. So the one that's trading right now is to the end of March. So you click on that, okay? And then in this situation, I want it to buy, all right? So what you can do is you can just do a buy order and just get in without a stop loss. But like I said, I always recommend having a stop loss. And the way you do that is, so let's say we wanted to buy here at 48, let's just say 48.68. And right here, you go to if you want it to be in day or good to cancel. Okay, so this is really important. So let me pause here for a second. Good to cancel means if you want that order open forever. Okay, it'll only cancel when you cancel it or when the contract expires. And this little button right here is very important. Trigger outside regular trading hours. If you want to get filled when the regular market closes after 4, so this can happen anytime overnight, you click that button. So I usually do these type of trades because I want to get my order in whenever it touches the price. And then from here, you click advanced, and you can add a profit taker and a stop loss. Just write them in there. Again, good to cancel, trigger outside regular trading hours for your stop loss. That's important because if it hits the stop loss after hours and you don't have it to trigger, you will not, the order will not liquidate your position, meaning you can be under more than you want. You can lose more than you want. So make sure you have the trigger outside regular trading hours. Hit that submit button, override and transmit. Make sure you read the margin, etc. And then the order should be on your chart right there. So once you get filled, what you should be able to do is you should be able to move your stop loss. Okay. So let's say you put in the order and your stop loss, this happens to me a lot. I didn't hit the outside regular trading hours, so it just disappeared. So then you just go back in here. So let's say you have one contract, hit sell, and then you go stop. So you might not see it off the bat. Hit the hidden and hit stop. Okay. So this is my stop loss. Sell, stop. And then let's say I want it at 4, let's just say 4850. I hit the tab button, and then again, good to cancel, outside regular trading hours, hit submit. Okay, so now there's my stop loss. So I can go ahead and I can move it up and down. Okay, so once I'm in the trade here, I can highlight over this and I can move it up and down like this, and I can actually trail my position. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trailing my position right now, the 5,000 gains that I have using a trailing stop loss. It just moved my stop loss up. So I hope this video helped you guys. those are the little details about interactive brokers that really help you trading. And like I said, guys, full disclaimer below, futures does involve a lot of risk. So make sure when you're trading futures, you have to have a stop loss. Okay. With options, when I trade them, I'm a little bit more lenient because I go, I'm just putting in full risk. All right, guys. Hope this video made sense. I have a full written guide below. I'll link that in the description. So check that out if you're interested. And just wanted to share some love on the weekend, share some gains with you guys. Love you all. Take care. Check me out, tradingwars.com, if you guys want more on what I do. And otherwise, have a great weekend. Take care.